My name is David Welch. I'm at Brothers Tech Center here to show you how to do a quick, easy, excellent, bright upgrade to your instrument cluster. You see these old incandescent light bulbs? They only have one filament. They got a nice little old romantic light to it, but it's just not going to compare to the LEDs here. You can see every one of these little yellow things right here. Every one of those is basically a filament that's going to light up. All 10 of these are going to make it a lot brighter than what you got going on right now. Inexpensive, easy to do, and boom, just like that, you can actually see all of your gauge clusters at once. We've done a couple of comparison shots so you can really see the difference between the two. Here you can see the old lights in your dash. It looks okay, it's got that romantic amber glow to it, but it's just not that bright. If you take a look at your gauges on the bottom, you're going to notice that they're pretty dim. And that's because for all of the size of this instrument cluster, there's only 4 bulbs in the entire thing that's lighting up everything. The gauges on the bottom don't even have any light bulbs. It's just the residual light that's coming down, and that's it. But if you compare that with the LEDs, look at how much light you're getting on the lowers. And the reason for that is the 10 panels on this is throwing a lot of residual light everywhere. You're getting that modern, bright look to it. And we didn't just go get any LEDs. These aren't the least expensive things you can find on the market. We really did our research on these and we found the best ones for your gauges. The 10 different LED panels just send light everywhere, and it's going to make all of your gauges just sparkle. Remember, your gauge cluster is the Christmas tree of your truck, and you want that Christmas tree to shine. So make sure you check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to the YouTube channel because you know you should. And you make sure you check out my next video next week because we've got even more stuff coming for you. It's even cooler than this. We'll see you then, man.